Welcome to the online video lecture. Subject Big Data Analytics. And today's topic is characteristics of big data. Myself, S. Sujanarayan Raju, working as an assistant professor in the Department of CSC, SRKR Engineering College, Bhimavaram. The objective of this lecture is to understand the characteristics of big data. Coming to the characteristics of big data, since you have learned what is big data, it is important for you to understand how can data be categorized as big data. Well, for that we have 5 V's: volume, variety, velocity, value, and veracity. Volume is a huge amount of data. Variety, different formats of data from various sources. Value, exact useful data. Velocity, high speed of accumulation of data. Veracity, inconsistencies and uncertainty in data. Coming to the volume, volume refers to the unimaginable amounts of information generated every second from social media, cell phones, cars, credit cards, machine to machine sensors, images, video, and whatnot. We are currently using distributed systems to store data in several locations and brought together by a software framework like Hadoop. Facebook alone can generate about billion messages, 4.5 billion times that the like button is recorded, and over 350 million new posts are uploaded each day. Such a huge amount of data can only be handled by big data technologies. You can see from the image the volume of data is rising exponentially. In 2016, the data created was only 8 gigabytes, and it is expected that by 2020 the data would rise up to 40 gigabytes, which is extremely large. Coming to variety, as discussed before, big data is generated in multiple varieties. Compared to the traditional data like phone numbers and addresses, the latest trend of data is in the form of photos, videos, audios, and many more, making about 80% of the data to be completely in unstructured format. Next one, velocity. Velocity is the speed at which data is generated and processed. At first, mainframes were used wherein fewer people used computers. Then came the client server model, and more computers were involved. After this, the web application came into the picture and started increasing over the internet. Then everyone began using these applications. These applications were then used by more and more devices such as mobiles, as they were very easy to access. Hence, a lot of data. As it is clear from the image, every 60 seconds, so much of data is generated. In 2019, this is what happens in an internet a minute. In Facebook, 1 million logins, 18.1 million text messages sent, and YouTube 4.5 million videos viewed, and so on. Coming to the value, here our fourth V comes in, which deals with a mechanism to bring out the correct meaning out of data. First of all, you need to mine the data, that is a process to turn raw data into useful data. Then an analysis is done on the data that you have cleaned or retrieved out of the raw data. Then you need to make sure whatever analysis you have done benefits your business, such as in finding out insights, results, etc., which were not possible earlier. You need to make sure that whatever raw data you are given, you have cleaned it to be used for deriving business insights. After you have cleaned the data, a challenge pop up. That is, during the process of dumping a huge amount of data, some packages might have lost. So, for resolving this issue, our next week comes into this picture. That is veracity. Since the packages get lost during the execution, we need to start again from the stage of mining raw data in order to convert them into valuable data. And this process goes on. Also, there will be uncertainties and inconsistencies in the data. To overcome this, our last week comes into place. That is veracity. Veracity means the trustworthiness and quality of data. It is necessary that the veracity of the data is maintained. For example, think about Facebook posts with hashtags, abbreviations, images, videos, etc., which makes them unreliable and hamper the quality of their content. Collecting loads and loads of data is of no use if the quality and trustworthiness of data is not up to the mark. Summary: volume means the size of the data, velocity means the speed at which the data is generated, variety, the different types of data, that means structured, unstructured, and semi structured, veracity, the trustworthiness of the data in terms of accuracy, and final one is value. Just having big data is of no use unless we can turn it into value. Thank you.